In this video, I'll show you how to partition your hard disk drive without using any third-party software, just using built-in Windows tools. Let's get straight into it. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type this code and hit Enter. This opens the disk management window where all your drives are listed. This tool is built right into Windows and lets you manage your drives easily. Right-click on the drive you want to split, usually C. Click Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink in MB. For example, 100,000 MB equal 100 GB. Click Shrink. This will create an allocated space from your existing drive, which we can now turn into a new partition. Right-click the unallocated space. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Choose the volume size. Click Next. Assign a drive letter. Click Next. Choose NTFS as file system. Give it a name optional and click Finish. Boom! You've just created a brand new partition without using any software. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one on IT Next.